All right,
look at
so
the markings on the pipe. Make sure it's not a cellular core.
we got a call for a power vent water heater, which Cole is checking out. The big change a couple years ago in the venting is they don't allow cellular core venting on water heaters anymore. And because the product was cheaper and easier to work with, a lot of people building the houses were using it. I don't see any numbers on any of that.
Oh, it says Charlotte right.
There's got to be an ASTM number somewhere.
This whole pipe doesn't even have it. That's a 2-foot section.
Yeah, and your exterior wall is right there.
Yeah.
So, I will be right back.
Okay.
I was in the middle of a conference call, so I will be right back down.
This is good stuff here. ASTM D.
So that's pink. This says Charlotte in black right here.
So that's probably the other stuff.
And this is Charlotte right here. Where it's black, but that black's cellular.
This is what we're looking for right here. Cellular core. That's no good. And we can't read it on that pipe anywhere.
There's something up top. You want to
Grab
grab the 2-foot ladder out of the truck?
So we're going to investigate, find out if this is cellular core or solid core, and I'll start again.